71 to 75. Now in this one, how many floors are there? There are some exactly 7 floors. And 7 persons are staying on these 7 different floors. And each one of them and likes a different subject as well. Now one parameter is added to this one. As one parameter is added, now first priority వస్తుందా సెకండ్ priority వస్తుందా మాకు కొద్ది సెకండ్లోకి పెట్టుకోండి ఇంకా వెరీ ఇనీషియల్ కదా ఓకే అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ దీనికన్నా ఇంకా వేరేది ఏదైనా డిఫికల్టీ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి బాక్సెస్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి అప్పుడు ఇది ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ వస్తుంది బాక్సెస్ లాంటి టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ లేకపోతే ఇది షుడ్ బి అండర్ ద సెకండ్ ప్రయారిటీ నౌ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 7 persons are staying on these 7 different floors and at the same time each one of them likes a different subject as well. Then whenever this floors is given, write down the floors at the center and extend the lines like this wherein you can able to write down 2 possibilities simultaneously. Then coming to condition number 1, G lives on an even number floor and G lives on an even number floor and so many possibilities we have 3 possibilities. G can be either on the 2nd floor, 4th floor or on the 6th floor and but not on the 4th floor hence G can be either on the 2nd floor or G can be on the 6th floor. How many possibilities we have? Only 2 possibilities. And next one, only 2 people live between G and the one who likes accounts. Now between G and the one who likes accounts there must be exactly 2 and the one who likes accounts must be on the 5th floor. Now in this one, G and the one who likes accounts there must be exactly 2. The one who likes accounts must be on the 3rd floor. And next one, D lives on an odd number floor but neither immediately above G nor immediately below G. Hence D odd number floor, but in the first case D cannot be either on the 1st or on the 3rd floor. And because this D who is on an odd number floor is not adjacent to G under. Hence where should this D? And D must be either on the 5th floor or on the 7th floor. Hence how many possibilities we have for this one? There are 2 possibilities. And D lives on an odd number floor but neither immediately above G nor, and D likes neither accounts nor chemistry. And D does not like accounts as well. Hence D cannot be here. What is the only possibility we have for this D? D must be on the 7th floor. Then coming back to the next one. Now D cannot be on these 2 floors and D cannot be on the 3rd floor as well because D is not accounts or chemistry. And here D must be on the 1st floor and D chemistry is ruled out. And here also D chemistry is ruled out. Write down chemistry and put across. And only 3 people between D and the one who likes computers. Now between D and the one who likes computers there must be exactly 3 and the one who likes computers must be on the 3rd floor. And again in this one between D and the one who likes computers, the one who likes computers must be on the 5th floor. And Z lives on one of the odd number floors above computers. Z on one of the odd number floors above computers, hence Z must be on the 5th floor. Z on one of the odd number floors above computers, Z must be on the 7th floor. And next one, the one who likes Hindi lives immediately above the one psychology. And Hindi is immediately above the one psychology, and Hindi and psychology must be together. Isn't it? And next one, the one who likes psychology does not live on the lowermost floor. And psychology and Hindi cannot be on the 1st and the 2nd. That means what is the only possibility we have? Hindi must be on the top floor, and the one who likes psychology must be on the 6th floor. And here again, now Hindi and psychology cannot be on the 1st and the 2nd, and the one who likes Hindi must be on the 7th floor, and the one who likes psychology must be on the 6th floor. And only 2 people live between the one who likes psychology and F. Now between psychology and F there must be exactly 2 people, hence F must be on the 3rd floor. And between psychology and F there must be exactly 2 people, F is on the 3rd floor. And only 1 person between F and X. In between F and X there must be exactly 1. Here again in between F and X there must be exactly 1. The one who likes botany lives immediately below X. Now in this case immediately below this X, that is botany, is it possible? Not possible, this case is ruled out. Hence in this one, the one who likes botany lives immediately below X, hence the one who likes botany on the 4th floor. And next one, E does not like chemistry, and here chemistry cannot be at this place, chemistry is here. As chemistry here, E cannot be chemistry, E will be here. Then tell me what is the only subject left over here? Economics. And the one who likes economics must be on the 1st floor. And who is the person left over here? One more person, that is Y, and Y is on the 2nd floor. Saripena? And coming to this one, which of the following subject does G like? G likes psychology, that is choice 5, question number 71. And which of the following combinations is true with respect to the given arrangement? Computer X. Now computer sex definitely true. Choice 1, 72. Then coming to this 73, and if all the people are made to sit in alphabetical order from top to bottom, the positions of how many will remain unchanged. From top to bottom, let us start counting this one. And who are the people we have? And 7 people, D, E, F, G, X, Y, Z. Now D, E, F, next one G, X, Y, and Z. And how many persons remain at the same place? Only Y remain at the same place. And Y, that is given in choice 3. And 73 is choice 3. And the next one 74. And which of the following statements is true? E likes botany, that is definitely true. And X lives immediately below E, that is false. Hence, what is your answer? Choice 1, 74. And 75, who among us the following lives on floor number 2? Why the one who likes chemistry? Why the one who likes chemistry? And choice for question number 75. And 76 one, it is based on directions. Now in this one, a person starts walking from his home towards a store. He walks for 30 meters towards east. Now let us take, this is the starting point of this person. From here, he walks how many meters? 30 meters towards east. And he takes 90 degrees right turn and walks for 15 meters. From here, right hand side, 15 meters. He again takes 90 degrees right turn and walks for 10 minutes. From here, he walks for just 10 meters after taking 90 degrees right turn. Isn't it? He again takes 90 degrees right turn and walks for 10 minutes. He then walks for 25 meters after taking 90 degrees left turn. From here, 90 degrees left turn, and he walks for how many meters? 25 meters. Then turning 90 degrees towards his right, he walks for 20 meters. From here, 90 degrees towards his right hand side, and he walks for how many meters? 20 meters. Now 20 meters to reach the store. A is the starting point and B is the store. Now the question is about in which direction is the store from his home, and what is the distance between these two? 15 plus 25 is 40, and 40 meters towards south. 40 towards south, choice 2, question number 76. 40 meters towards south, question number 76. Then 77 onwards. Now in this 77 to 81, now they are based on row arrangement. Now in this one, how many persons are there? 8 persons were there. They are seated in a straight line facing towards north is clearly given. Isn't it? All these persons are facing towards which direction? North. As they are facing towards north, hence it should be under the first priority itself. Then another first priority. Then coming back to this one, 8 friends were there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then D sits 4th to the right of J. D is 4th to the right of J means 1, 2, 3, D is here. Now in between J and D, there must be exactly 3 people. Neither D nor J sits at any one of the extreme ends of the line. Hence, neither D nor J sits at any one of the extremes line. If J is here, 1, 2, 3, D will be here. This is one possibility. Then what is the second possibility we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now if J is here, now 3 persons in between these two, D is here. And D sits 4th to the right of J. Neither D nor J sits at any one of the extreme ends of the line. And C sits 2nd to the left of K. Now this C is seated 2nd to the left of K. Neither K nor B is an immediate neighbor of D. K and B is not an immediate neighbor of D. Hence K and B cannot be here. And here also K and B cannot be here. Neither K nor B is an immediate neighbor of D. K and B cannot be in these two places. Then what is the next one we have? And K cannot be here as well, because if K is here, C and D must be in the same place. And K cannot be here. K couldn't, C and J must be in the same place. K cannot be here. What is the only possibility we have? K is here, C is here. Saripena? And coming back to this one, K cannot be here. K couldn't, and C and J must be in the same place. And K is here, and C is here. C and K we have done with this one. The next one, and only 2 people sit between C and I. Now in between C and I, there must be exactly 2 people. There are also 2 people in between C and I. And B is an immediate neighbor of H. That means B and H must be adjacent to each other. Now in the second case, B and H are adjacent to each other. Is it possible? Pakka rendu place are not possible. Hence here B and H. Out of which B cannot be here, B is here. B is here, H is here. Then who is the person after here? B, C, D, E. B, C, D and E. H, I, J, K. Now this is the final arrangement. Then according to this one, what is the position of B with respect to D? Now second to the right. second to the right, that is given in choice for question number 77. And how many persons are seated between B and I? Now in between B and I, there are exactly 3 people. 3 that is given in choice to 78. And who among is the following seat exactly between C and I? Exactly between C and I, J and K. J and K, choice for 79. And who among is the following represents the person seated at the extreme left hand of the line? Extreme left hand of the line, C, choice for 80. And 81. And based on the given arrangement, which of the following is true with respect to E? And both H and K are immediate neighbors of E. That is false. B sits second to the right of E. That's again false. And only 2 persons sit between E and I. That's again false. And 3 persons to the left of C is again false. None of the options, given options is true. Choice 1, question number 81. Then coming to this 82. My 82 chesara. How many such pairs of letters are there in the word stainless? S-T-A-I-N-L-E-S-S. How many such pairs of letters are there in the word stainless? Each of which has as many letters, both forward as well as backward. Starting with S, S and T, it forms a pair. S-T, S-T-U. There is no letter more than this T. And next one, A, B, C, D, E. B, C, B, C, D, E, F, G. I, J, K, L, M, N. N, O, P, Q, R, L, M, N. Left hand side to right hand side, there are 2 possibilities. And again in the reverse, if you observe here, S, no letter more than this S, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, and N, O, P, Q, R, I, J, K. And so how many we have? Only 2. Hence 82, only 2, choice 2. Then 83, now in a certain code language, the word clever. What is the word we have? Clever. Now the word clever, and what is the code to this one? DKFUFQ. DKFUFQ. And in the same way, how is the word polish coded? POLISH. Now in this, the relation between C and D. What is the difference we have? Plus 1. L and K minus 1. E and F plus 1. V and U minus 1. Here plus 1 minus 1. And similarly here again, polish. The code given to the one is plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. P plus 1, Q. O minus 1, N, M, H, T, G. QNM, HDG. QNM, HDG, choice 2, question number 83. And then next one, 84. And how many meaningful English words that can be found with the help of these 4 letters? S, C, P, F. Yes, tell me, is there any word that can be found with the help of these S, C, P, F? No, there is no word that can be formed. None, that is choice 3. మరి ఏదైనా వర్డ్ వస్తుందా మనకి? None, that is choice 3. And 85, now if it is possible to make a meaningful English word with, starting with L, with 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9 and 11. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 11. What are the letters we have? S, T, I, L are the words we have. Now starting with L and starting with L, what are the words that can be formed? LIST. And LIST list is the word that can be formed. Then if no such word can be formed, then the answer is X. More than one such word can be formed, then that answer is Z. Now we need to find out the last letter. And the last letter is T, choice 3, question number 85. List is the word that can be found with the help of these 4 letters. The next one coming to 87. 86. B is 12 meters to the south of A. A is here and B is here. Now the distance between these two is so much? 12 meters. B is 12 meters to the south of A. C is 24 meters to the east of B. Now C, which is here, and it is 24 meters to the east of B. C is 24 meters to the east of B. And D is 8 meters to the south of C. D, and this is 8 meters to the south of C. And next one, D is 8 meters to the south of C. And D is 12 meters to the east of E. Now this D is 12 meters to the east of E. The distance between these two is just 12 meters. And next one, D is 12 meters to the east of E. And F is 8 meters to the north of E. Now this F is 8 meters to the north of E here. Now F is here, 12 meters and 8 meters. This is 8 and this is 12 and this is 12. F is exactly between B and C. Then if a man has to travel to point E from point A to E, and through these points by the shortest distance. That means initially he has to touch which point? And he has to touch with B. And so point B, that is choice 4. Now ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇలా రావాలి through these points అన్నాడు కనుక ఈ విధంగా రావాలి. Hence in this one during this cycle A to B, B to F, F to E. In this case first this person has to touch point B. Point B, that is choice 4. Then 87. If a man is standing at facing north at point C. At point C this person is facing like this. How far and in which direction is point F from that point? From C, F is how many meters? 12 meters. And towards which direction? West. 12 meters west, choice 1, question number 87. Then 88 onwards. Now 88 onwards. Now coded inequalities. Now in this coded inequalities, the relation between F and M. M lesser than F means F greater than M. C and Q, Q lesser than or equals to C, C greater than or equals to Q. Hence both 1 and 2, choice 5, question number 88. 89, H and L. L is here, H is here, greater than, less than, two opposite symbols, no relation. And T and B less than, greater than, two opposite symbols, no relation. Hence what is your answer? Neither 1 nor 2, choice 2, 89. And 90, the relation between M and Z. M to T, T to Z. M to T, M greater than or equals to T, and Z greater than or equals to T means T lesser than or equals to Z. Now between M and Z, two opposite symbols, no relation can be drawn. And next one, Q and D. Now Q is here, D is here, which element is common? T is common. Now T lesser than Q and T lesser than D means D greater than T. Again between D and Q, two opposite symbols, neither 1 nor 2, choice 3, question number 90. And next 91st, the relation between X and T. Now X is here, T is here, and the relation between X and T, which element is common here? P is common. And X to P, P to T. Now X to P and P greater than or equals to X, X lesser than or equals to P. And between P and T, P lesser than or equals to T. X lesser than or equals to P lesser than or equals to T. X is either lesser than or equals. Either lesser or equal. Either 1 or 2. Either 1 or 2, choice 4, question number 91. Then 92. Now in this 92, the relation between N and Y. N greater than Y, definitely 2. Now between C and G, G and C, two opposite symbols, no relation. Hence only one follows, that is choice 4, question number 92. Then 93 to 97. Now in this, it is based on circular arrangement. And that too, all the persons are facing towards the center. Now circular arrangement, how many persons are there? 8 persons. And 8 persons seated around a circular table facing towards the center. Then only one person between H and K. As only one person between H and K, K can be either to the left hand side of H or to the right hand side. How many possibilities we have? 2 possibilities for this H and K. And 8 persons were there. Now H is here, K is here. Only one person between H and K. L sits out to the left of H. Here also L is out to the left of H. And M sits second to the right of L. M is seated second to the right of L. Here M is seated second to the right of L. And next one, J sits second to the left of G. J is seated second to the left of whom? Second to the left of G. J is seated second to the left of G. Then how many possibilities we have? Now in the first one we can have J at this place, G is here. Or J and G, there are 2 possibilities. And again in the second one, J and G can be like this, and again J and G can be like this. Now in each of these cases, we are having 2 possibilities. Hence, next one, we cannot represent the information as of now. And in the next one, G is not an immediate neighbor of L. Now, G is not an immediate neighbor of L. J sits second to the left of G, and G cannot be at this place. As G cannot be here, G must be here. If G is here, J sits second to the left of G is valid. And next one, G is not an immediate neighbor of L. We cannot have G at this place, we cannot have G. Hence G is here. Now if G is here, J sits second to the left of G, J is here. And N is an immediate neighbor of G. N and G are adjacent to each other, N is here. Now if N is here, who is the person left over? G, H, I is the person left. And again coming to the second case. Now in the second case, N is an immediate neighbor of J. N and J must be adjacent to each other. Is it possible in the second case? No, because there is no vacant place adjacent to this J. And if this case is ruled out, now we are left with this case. Then according to this one, and which among the following statements is true regarding I? Only two people between I and H. That is false. And L is one of the immediate neighbors of I, definitely true. Choice 3, 93. And 94. And what is the position of M with respect to N? M with respect to N. 1, 2, 3. Third to the left or fifth to the right? Third to the left or fifth to the right? That is choice 5, 94. And if all the persons are made to sit in alphabetical order in clockwise direction starting from G. Starting from G in the clockwise direction. G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Isn't it? Hence, none of the persons remain at the same place. That is choice 3, question number 95. Then 96th one. And who among us the following sits second to the left of N? Second to the left of N is H, choice 3, question number 96. And 4 out of the following means odd one out. H, M and G. H, M. H immediate left is M, M's opposite is G. L's immediate left is I opposite is H. I, G and opposite is M. K's immediate left L, opposite is J. I's immediate left is not. I's second left is N. And so what is your answer? Choice 5, 97. And 98, it is based on blood relations here. Now J is the father of E can be written like this. J is the father of E. And E is the only sibling of D, means E and D are the only siblings to each other. And this J is having only two children, one is G, the other one is D. And D is the only daughter. D is the only daughter of G. Now this D is the only daughter of G. As of now, D is the daughter of G. D is the daughter of G as well, which implies that J and G are a married couple. And D is the only daughter of G. Only daughter means E must be the son. And H is married to E. H and E are married couple. E is a male and H is a female. Then according to this one, how is E related to Z? Now E is the son of G. Son, that is given in choice 498. And how is H related to J? And H related to J. And H is J's son's wife. Son's wife, daughter-in-law. Daughter-in-law, choice 1, question number 99. And coming to this 100, and if it is possible to make only one meaningful English word with 2, 5, 7 and 8. 2, 5, 7 and 8. Now what are the letters we have? And C, I, E, D are the 4 letters. Now tell me what are the words that can be formed? Maina words form होते हैं दिन तो D-I-C-E, dice is the word that can be formed. Inka? And C-I-D is side. And C-I-D is side. What do you mean by this one side? Side means killing. Suicide, isn't it? Pesticide and all these. This is suffix of this one side. Hence there are 2 words that can be formed. Hence more than one such word. Jade as your answer. Choice for question number 100. Clear? Number series questions please. 36. Now question numbers 36 to 40. I mean this 36 to 40. Now 14, 20. Now the numbers are increasing at a smaller rate, hence it must be under difference. Now the difference is how much? 6. Now here the difference is how much? 8. And next one is 11. And 6, 8 and 11. 6 and 8 the difference is how much? Plus 2. Here difference is plus 3. 2 and 3 on the next change plus 4. 11 plus 4, 15. Now 39 plus 15 and 54. And do we have 54 in the choice? No. Now 54 left. That means 4 cannot be added. If 4 cannot be added, then what is the other possibility we have? 6, 8, 11. Now 6 and 8 plus 2. 8 and 11 plus 3. 2, 3 on. Plus 2 plus 3. Next and plus 5. Prime numbers. First consecutive natural numbers check chesam fourth answer let. Then we are checking for prime numbers. 11 plus 5, 16. Now if you add 16 to this one, 39 plus 16 is how much? 55. And next one plus 5. And next and plus 7. Now 16 plus 7, 23. And 55 plus 23, that is 78. And so what is the missing number here? 55, that is choice for 36. Then coming to this 37. 37 chesara? Now if you check out here numbers starting with 9. Choices shown 300, 200, 300 and so on. and the numbers are increasing at a very fast rate. Hence, combination or product. Now in this, 9 and 19. 9 into 2, 18 plus 1, 19. 19 into 2, 38. 38 plus 1, 39. Now 39 into 2, 78 plus 1, 79. 79 into 2, 158 plus 1, 159. 159 into 2, how much? Plus 1. And the number is 319 choice 2. Into 2 plus 1, into 2 plus 1, into 2 plus 1, and so on. Hence, question number 37, it is choice 2 into 2 plus 1. Then 38, 38 chapter. No, difference, product or combination. Difference. Now 81 and 72. Now here the difference is how much? Minus 9. And 72 and 136. And those 64 plus or minus? Plus. And next one, 136 and 111 minus 25. I mean, 9 can be written as 3 square. And 64 can be written as 4 cube. And 25 can be written as 5 square. 3 square, 4 cube, 5 square. Next one is 6 cube. Plus or minus? Plus. Plus 6 cube means 216. And 216 plus 111. And what is the number we have? And 327. Now 327, that is choice 2, question number 38. The difference between the numbers are square and a cube alternately. 2 square minus 3 cube. 4 square minus 6 cube. 7 square and so on. Then coming to 39. 8, 12, 30, 105. How much happened? 8 and 12 ela raskoవాలి. 8 into 1.5 is 12. 12 and 30. 12 into 2.5 is 30. Into 1.5 into 2.5. Next one is what? Into 3.5. And next one into 4.5. And into 4.5 and ela రాస్తాను చెప్పండి. 105 into 4.5. 105 into 4, 420. And 420 plus 52.5. 20 plus 52, that is 72.5, choice 3. Must have been the 472.5, choice 3 is the answer. The given numbers are multiplied with into 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, 5.5, and so on. Then coming to this 40. The numbers are in the decreasing order. Hence, let us start in the reverse order. 497, 528. Difference is so much? Minus 31. And 28 and 57. Tell me what is the difference we have? And 29. Minus 29. Here 80 and 57. What is the difference we have? And 57 and 80. The difference is minus 23. And 23, 29, 31. What are these numbers? 23, 29, 31. All the given numbers are prime numbers. And the next prime number to 31, 37. And 497 plus 37. What is the number we have? 460. And 460, that is choice 4. The difference between the numbers are consecutive prime numbers in the ascending order. 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, and so on. Done with this? Now this is about question numbers 36 to 40. Clear?